Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Pinterest is not only a platform for image inspiration, it's also a great source of video content that's perfect for sparking new ideas and creative projects. But what if you want to save these videos for offline viewing? In this video, I will guide you through the process of downloading Pinterest videos directly to your device's gallery. Let's go. Since Pinterest doesn't have a direct download feature for videos, some third-party online services offer workarounds. But know that they may not be the safest choice for downloading content. A more reliable and secure approach is to use your device's built-in screen recording feature instead. To do this, ensure that screen recording is accessible in your control center. If not, long press an empty space. Click Add a Control and select Screen Recording. Once you've got screen recording ready, open the Pinterest app and locate the video you'd like to save. Next, activate screen recording from your control center and play the video in full screen with the sound on. When the video finishes, stop the recording and go to Photos to view the output. You can either leave the recording as it is or trim any unwanted parts, like when you access the control center or replayed sections of the video. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.